Do you want to know how you can log in to your Netspend Deepblue account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Netspend Deepblue account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to the Google search bar to search for Netspend Deepblue login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Deepblue, which is also known as Netspend Deepblue. Go ahead and write down your username and your password associated with Netspend Deepblue. After that, click Login. This way you can successfully log in to your Netspend Deepblue account. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go to the search bar and then search for Netspend Deepblue login. Then click on the first link which appears on the screen. What you need to do right now is write down your username and password. After that, click Login. So, make sure you have already registered your Netspend Deepblue account so that you will have no problems in logging in. You can also click Remember My Username, and if in case you have forgotten your username or password, these are the two links you want to follow through. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click Create One and you can create a Netspend Deepblue account for yourself. I hope this video about how you can log in to your Netspend Deepblue account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.